The United Arab Emirates, a country known for its futuristic vision, is now using artificial intelligence to control the weather. Yes, you heard that right. The UAE is integrating AI into its cloud seeding technology to make it a rain in one of the driest region on earth. Cloud seeding is a process that enhances rainfall by dispersing substances like salt crystal or silver iodide into clouds. These particles act as a seed that attracts moisture, forming a large raindrop and increase rainfall by 10 to 15%. The UAE has been using this technology for years, but now it's taking things to the next level with the artificial intelligence. AI process massive amount of weather data in a real time, identifying the best cloud to seed up to 6 hours in advance. This increases accuracy and efficiency, making the process more effective. The UAE is testing drones fitted with AI to release electric charges into the cloud. This stimulate cloud droplet to merge and grow, forming a raindrops without needing a chemical dispersal. AI-driven model analyze historical weather data, satellite image, and atmosphere condition to improve cloud seeding success rate. This help in making informed decision about when and where to seed clouds. But AI cloud seeding isn't a magic solution. Expert caution that its success depend on a specific cloud conditions. If applied incorrectly, it could even suppress rainfall rather than enhance it. Another challenge is that AI can predict cloud formation, but it can't create clouds from anything. The technology still depends on a natural weather patterns. Despite these challenges, the UAE's National Center Meteorology is leading the way AI-powered weather control. This innovation could shape the future of climate technology, not just in the UAE, but around the world. Another big news is Indian badminton star Lakshya Sen, a Commonwealth Games gold medalist, is now in the middle of the major controversy. Allegation of age fraud have surfaced, with claims that he faked his birth record to compete in a junior tournaments. But is this true, or it just an attempt to bring him down? Lakshan is one of the India's brightest badminton stars. He has won the multiple international tournaments, including the prestigious Commonwealth Games 2022 gold medal. Trained at a Prakash Padukone Badminton Academy, he was seen as India's next big hope in badminton. But in 2022, things took a shocking turn. In December 2022, a Bangalore-based coach Nagaraja MJ filed a police complaint against Lakshya Sen, his father and his brother. The complaint claimed that the family manipulated Lakshya's birth record to make him eligible for junior tournaments longer than he should have been. Lakshya Sen denied all allegations, calling them an attempt to tarnish his reputation. In February 2025, the Karnataka High Court refused to quash the case, stating there was enough evidence to continue the investigation. But Laksha wasn't giving up. He took the case to the Supreme Court, hoping to clear his name. On 26 February 2025, the Supreme Court of India granted relief to Laksha Sen by staying the investigation. This means the legal procedures are on hold for now, and the next hearing is set to 16 April 2025. Laksha's legal team argue that these allegations are false and motivated by personal rivalry. They say that the issue was already investigated in 2018 and his birth record were verified back then. Some believes that the complaint Nagaraja MG filed this case of out of revenge because his daughter was not selected for the Prakash Padukone Academy in 2020. So is this a genuine case of age fraud or is a Laksha being wrongly targeted? The final judgment will come in April 2025. This case is far from over and we will keep you updated. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Thank you for watching.